What's up YouTube, it's your boy John here, and today we're continuing our series on Pawnshop pickups, but I got a special unboxing for you guys as well. What's going on YouTube, it's your boy John here. Hey, I'm super excited to be behind the camera with you guys. I got two awesome unboxings, one that I picked up at the pawn shop, one that I picked up on a local trade, and I'm telling you the review is going to go crazy. But before we jump into that, you guys already know, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It definitely helps out with YouTube's algorithm and everything that goes on in that. And hey, we're on the road to 600 subscribers, and I have a big giveaway coming soon. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out. So go ahead and turn post notifications on so you don't miss out. But without further ado, let's jump into this review. Alright YouTube, you guys already know pawn shop pickups were in this series. I picked up Yeezys, I picked up Air Force One Halloween editions, New Balance 550s, but this week I picked up a crazy shoe. It's not the most hyped shoe, it doesn't have much resale on it, but TikTok has definitely made this shoe famous, and it's apparently sold out everywhere. It's hard to find. Like, it's hard to just go into the store and pick it up. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Boom! Here's the first one. This is the pawn shop pickup. Take any guesses. Go ahead and drop it down in the comments below. You guys already know what it is. Like, you guys don't even have to guess because it's the crispy Air Force Ones. I picked these up at my local pawn shop for a whopping $35. That's right, $35. And it's one of the most classic shoes, white on white. The silhouette goes crazy. Like I said, it's not much resale, but it's hard to find nowadays. It's hard to just walk into the mall and pick it up. And my wife loves Air Force Ones. Hers were beat to death, and so I was like, I'm just gonna go to the pawn shop and see if we can find you some. And boom, walked in and they had these in her size, and there's not much to say about it. It's just crispy Air Force Ones. Like, TikTok has definitely made this one of the hottest shoes of 2021. It's not, like I said, it's not the most hyped up shoe. It's not a collab or anything, but it's just a classic silhouette. It's a classic shoe, white on white, Air Force Ones, $35. Crazy steal. It came with the box and everything, and it's just a crazy shoe. Like, I personally don't own a white on white. I own the white on white with the gum bottom, but not a white on white because I'm just not sure. I haven't fell into that hype game yet. I'm just kidding. But definitely one of our best pawn shop pickups, I would say. It goes hand in hand with the New Balance 550s because this one, like I said, 35, and the New Balances were like 40 bucks. New Balance do have crazier resale, but 35 bucks for a white on white Air Force One, you can't beat that. Now, I said I had another unboxing for you guys, and I'm super excited to do this one. I already wore the shoe, it was pre-owned, but literally it looked like it was dead stock, and it's one of the crazier collabs of this year. Resale is not that much on it. I think it goes for like $220, if that, after fees and everything. I'm just super excited to show you this shoe because it's slept on. I'm telling you, slept on shoe. Boom! You guys already know, the Dunk versus Air Force One box. One of the crazier boxes of this year. I love this royal midnight blue, classic Nike logo right here. Dunk versus Air Force One. Got your Undefeated logo right here in Nike. And this shoe, like, I saw it on the Facebook market. Guy was asking, I think $150 for him, but we were actually able to work out a trade, and I'm just super excited. I wore these this past Sunday to church, and boom, man, oh man. The Nike Dunk Low Undefeated. Woo-hoo-hoo. It came with extra gifts. You got your white laces. You got your blue laces, and he had already lace swapped them with the tan, not the tan, what am I saying? With the vintage looking laces, and it's just one of the crazier shoes. Like, man. I think the official name of this is the 5 on it Dunk, and it's crazy because it has so many different materials. You got your snake skin right here, which goes crazy. Dunks have had not the best leather here lately, but it actually had a decent tumble leather. You got your canvas material, which is the purple color, and then you got this suede, like this suede. This is some of the best suede, I'm telling you. So it's so good. And then you got your nubuck material right here, that booty suede. I'm just kidding, but that's what they call it. But you got your Undefeated logo right here, and it's also on the tongue as well. You got that, you know, that Virgil distressed tongue, and this is really one of my favorite dunks that have came out lately. Dunks, like I said, if you guys see it right here, got dunk highs, and you got the dunk lows, but this is one of my favorite dunks that came out this year. I love the vintage sole. Can we talk about the vintage sole? Just look at that. Fire. Materials go crazy, and I'm glad I have this shoe in the collection. Definitely one of my favorites. Undefeated killed this collection. Like they went all out with the materials and everything, and yeah, the Nike Dunk 5 on it. Pretty crazy shoe, and prices aren't bad at all. It's, like I said, it's slept on. $200 to $220 max is what you're gonna pay for this shoe, and it's dope. Again, just a little close up. Crazy shoe. Crazy, I'm telling you. One of my favorite shoes I've gotten this year. It's top 5, I would say. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, you guys already know. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe. We're growing this channel out. We're going to 600 subscribers here soon. And hey, Pawnshop pickup part 5 drops next week. I'm telling you, I already got the shoe in hand. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm telling you don't want to miss out. If you guys have enjoyed watching these Pawnshop pickups, go ahead and drop a heart emoji in the comments. Go ahead and like. Go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and share with your friends. Like I said, I'm dropping more content here soon. I went ahead and rearranged the room a little bit today, as you guys see. I got the shoes facing in, so it just shows the back of it. I saw a TikToker do that, and I was like, dude, that looks super dope, just looking at the back tabs of the shoes and everything like that. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Again, my name is John, and I hope you guys have the best week.